Will you guide you through how to undo in Krita? If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer and make sure you have a project open that you're working on. To undo your last action, you can simply press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard. This is the universal shortcut for undo in most applications, and Krita is no exception. If you prefer using the menu, go to the top of the screen and click on the EDIT menu. From there, you'll see the UNDO option right at the top. Clicking this will also undo your last action. In case you want to undo multiple steps, you can repeatedly press Ctrl and Z until you reach the desired point in your project. Krita also offers a radio function if you accidentally undo too much. To radio an action, use the shortcut Ctrl and Shift and Z, or go back to the EDIT menu and select Redo. Understanding the history Docker is also helpful. If you don't see it, go to the Docker menu and make sure history is checked. This Docker shows a list of all your actions, and you can click on any step to jump directly to that point in your project. This is especially useful for intricate projects where you might need to toggle between different stages of your work. Remember, practicing these shortcuts can significantly enhance your workflow and save time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.